Thank you. Have a good one. Hello? That's the money calling. All right. Thank you. I'm just sitting in the front. Get that money. Yeah, I'ma just sell it. Come on, let's go sell it right now. Hello. How you doing? I'm fine, and you?
Good. Let's go check it out real quick.
Yeah, it's fine.
I was like, oh, it was in the storage.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at this. Nice. Okay. Right. Okay. Thank you.
No problem at all. Thank you. Have a good one.
You too.
Hey, what's the deal, Candy Crew? It's your girl, MsTaffy, just like the candy. And around here, we chase after new deals year round. Y'all see me playing that guitar. I think I'm about to stick with my day job and reselling, because playing the guitar is not it. Car wash time. It's a new day. I got a jam-packed day. We went to some garage sales. I can't believe, like, reselling has helped me so much. Like, I'm able to pay for this van with reselling. Y'all can't make this up.
Okay.
Good morning. How much is this?
It's antique.
Oh, okay.
$3.
$3?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, I'll get it. You said $3?
$3.
Yes, I'll get it for you.
Are you sure? Very old.
Yeah, that's fine. I like old things.
It's antique, I think.
$3.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And heavy.
Oh, it's heavy?
Yes.
Ooh, okay.
What size is this?
Yeah. Oh, you're right.
Heavy,
It's
right?
heavy. Oh my God. Thank you.
Thank you.
Y'all, when she kept saying, it's vintage, I just knew she wanted a lot of money for it, y'all. And y'all see that? I paid $3 for that typewriter. I'm positive I can get like $100. But since it's so heavy, I'm gonna put it on offer up. I'm not putting that on eBay. So offer up typewriter, $3 until I'm sure 100. All right, let's continue getting this money. How much for the coat?
That one, 30.
You said 30?
Yeah.
Okay. Question, could you do 15 on a jacket?
I do 20.
Okay.
It's brand new, there's no tags on it, but it's never been worn. And there's more clothes outside if you're interested.
Okay, I didn't see those. You talking about in the garage? Oh, I did go right here.
Some right here, but there's more, like, my sister was a hoarder.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, I told her 20.
Okay, so I owe you $21, right? 5.
And with a little fez, yeah, perfect.
We'll get you $1.
That'll work. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good
You're
day.
very welcome.
Good morning.
Good morning.
You feel very well?
Yeah.
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 Question: Is 10 the best you could do on the stool?
10?
Yes. I said, is that the best you could do?
What are you offering?
I could do like $8.
I'll do 8.
Okay. Thank you very much. All right. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Thank you.
All right. You guys have a great day. Candy Crew. Now y'all see me by that stool. Why one just sold on eBay for $175? Like, that's crazy. I got the jacket too. I'm pretty sure I could get like $75 for the jacket. And what else I got? The jacket. Oh, I got these little pixie candy things. And I got the typewriter so far. It's $11.13. Let me show y'all. I'm not sure if I'm going to more sales right now. If I see something, I may. Let's see where the G-Wagon take us. Shamoo. Hey, what's the deal, Candy Crew? It's a new day, and guess what? We getting some new money. Right now, we're going to sell these shoes that I got for free from my friend for $30. I listed them on offer up for $45. Somebody offered me $30. It's free money. Let's go get it right now. Hello? That's the money calling. All right, y'all. So it's a beautiful day outside. Kind of hot a little bit. I'm thinking we may go to the beach, but I'm not too sure yet. I know for sure we have to go to the nail shop because what is this? What is this? All right, y'all, let's go sell these shoes. He said red Dodge. It's hot. Look, get you over here. Hi. Thank you. Have a good day. Alrighty. Alright. Those are sold. That was like valet service. Y'all see me? Pull it up right up to the car. What's the deal, Candy Crew? It's the same day, and guess what? We selling some more shoes that we got from free. This time, my homegirl gave me these. We selling these for $25 right now. Offer up. Hello, how you doing? I'm fine. Thanks for asking.
Oh, they're nice, man.
All right. Thank you. Have a good day. All right, y'all. Those are sold. All right, Candy Crew. I'm at the beach. My favorite place to be. Let me show y'all. I'm just sitting in the van now. I wish I could have bagged in, but I can't at this particular beach. I have to go head in, so I'm just sitting in the front. But look, y'all, look. I got these windows down. Somebody keep texting me. Yeah, I gotta pay for parking. Yeah, I love it at the beach if y'all can't tell. Let's see. I should have brought my bike, to be honest. But to the next video, keep hustling, staying positive, TTYL.